Oh, you're...
Santa Claus is coming to town.
That was beautiful. Merry Christmas.
That's a nice song.
Do it again.
Did you get it?
I got it. Okay.
Can't do it no more.
Well, I love you. What are you doing? I'm taking a video of you.
I figured.
Are you gonna do anything? You were very funny earlier. You can't see that you even have teeth.
I love you.
I love you.
Yeah. Hey, Jose. Look at the dance. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. Fucking flies. Huh?
Okay, do it again.
Well, you get just the feet.
I'm trying to get your whole body in there.
Oh, I can't get it all.
You're a good dancer.
I'm doing the rumba bumba. The mamba.
Do your shoulders like you do. Oh, I love you.
I love you. Okay?
You're the most beautiful woman I've ever seen.
Oh, I bet you. Oh, Jesus, Rosalind. This is ridiculous.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's good. Oh, it's wonderful. How about my tits? I'll show my tits.
Well, yeah, let's see your tits.
There's one hanging out like this. Oh, dear. I'm going to have lunch. I'm going to have lunch. Lunch.
You think the men are gonna go for you?
Oh, they'll go crazy for me. They want me to fuck their pussy.
What's the problem?
Too much wax, I guess.
Waxy floors.
My pal did that from housekeeping.
I know.
I ran into him today. He was holding up a woman's nightie like this on her.
What did he say?
He's in charge of laundry now.
Oh.
They put him in charge of that because they've had so many problems with people losing stuff. The other day a woman had a speckled shirt and she says, "That looks like my shirt." "That is my shirt. Why are you wearing my shirt?"
To another woman?
Two women in a meeting and stuff.
That's funny.
She says, "I want my shirt." She took it off right there and gave it to her.
She took it off?
Yeah, that's what they said.
Oh
That's strange.
my goodness. Okay, do it.
Hurry up, I'm getting out of steam.
You're not moving. Go forward.
Huh?
Go forward.
I'm going to hit you. I'm going to hit you.
Get out of here.
Okay.
You are so weird.
Where it is, right? It's 20 to 7, hopefully. End of the world. Hallelujah.
beautiful.
Hallelujah.
Dominus vobiscum.
Dominus vobiscum. He's going to read it.
Lectio Sancti Evangelis.
Why do you stop talking about pubic hair?
Mark finished it.
Come on.
I finished it, my love. And I have nothing further to say.
You just talked about pubic hair for like 20 minutes. And now
it's
you're
done.
done. Come on.
I've completely finished.
That's not fair. Okay.
Whoa, Zoe, my darling. I love you. Oh, whoa, Zoe, my baby. You are mine. That's it. I got no more.
Whoa, Zoe.
This sounds like shit, I bet you.
No, it's beautiful.